In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a demo AI agent in n8n. By the end, you'll have a working agent that receives messages, remembers the conversation, calls helpful tools, and replies with clear, concise answers guided by short prompts. We'll begin by setting up the chat entry point. Add a chat trigger so your workflow starts the moment a user sends a message. This creates a simple chat window inside n8n where you can test in real time. Give your workflow a clear name, then save it so you can reuse and extend it later. Next, add a memory node to preserve recent messages. This keeps your agent grounded in context so it can reference what was said earlier. Configure how many turns to remember so you strike a balance between helpful context and efficiency. As a tip, keep memory modest in size and avoid storing anything private longer than you need. Now bring in an AI model node and choose either Gemini or OpenAI. Pick a model that's reliable for short, actionable replies. Set temperature lower for crisp, predictable answers, and cap the maximum tokens so your messages stay brief. Make sure your credentials are configured in n8n before you proceed. With that ready, drop in an AI agent node. This is the conductor that orchestrates memory, tools, and responses. Point the agent to your AI model and connect the memory so it can read recent context. The agent will decide when to call a tool and how to weave tool outputs into its reply. Keep your prompt compact and directive. For example, you are an n8n AI agent. Answer user questions using available tools. Give short, clear steps. Use tools: joke, date, wiki, password, loan, blog. Short prompts reduce ambiguity and help the agent stay on task. Now add the tool nodes the agent will call. Include get a joke to return a quick joke, days from now to calculate future dates, Wikipedia to fetch short summaries, create password to generate passwords, calculate loan payment to compute monthly payments, and n8 blog RAS feed to surface the latest blog posts. For each tool, set clear input fields and concise outputs so the agent knows exactly what to expect. Finally, connect everything. Route the chat trigger into the AI agent so user messages flow in. Connect the memory to the agent for context. Link each tool to the agent, and connect the agent's reply back to the chat window so responses appear instantly. That's it. Open the chat, send a question, and watch the agent remember context, call the right tool, and answer with short, helpful steps. You've just built a clean, demo-ready AI agent in n8n.